Hello, my friends, and welcome back to, I guess this is the official episode 2 of my Vegas Pro Explained series. This is gonna be a very short one, but it's a minor thing, so it's nothing really important, but it's just nagging me everywhere I go. That's the name of the software. A lot of people still call it Sony Vegas, and that is false. It haven't been called Sony Vegas since 13. You can see here in 2016, Magix acquires Sony Creative Software Products. That's back in 2016. And 3 months after the official acquisition of the majority of Sony Creative Software Products, Magix is releasing Vegas Pro 14. So ever since 14 and onwards, it's been called Vegas Pro. So please, people, please stop calling it Sony Vegas. Unless, of course, you are using Sony Vegas 13. Or I don't know how, I'm not sure how far back they go, but Sony Vegas 13 is the last one called Sony Vegas. So that's just my little thing. I know it's a minor thing, like I said, but just call it the right name. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.